I put that out to where. This is one I did for the page. This is, hi everybody, this is one I did for my patrons the other day. So we'll start with showing this. We've got everything on, I think. Yeah. Lighting. I'll get a look round. Yeah. All switched on. Right. So that's what I did from the Patreon. So that'll start us off. I'll turn the other up. Oh, yeah. What am I doing? What am I doing? Just a minute. So I know what thing it was. Right, that's a starter. I better put some water in there, I think. The angels standing at the Ritz, and the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Now, wait a minute. Get some burnt sienna. Oh, go on. right up to there, isn't it? Night night, and God bless to everybody on the road. This is vanilla, this coffee. Low latte, vanilla flavoured. Must admit it's nice tasted. Tastes a bit like rice pudding more than coffee. You want to try that lemon and lime. It's very good for you. You'll grow very old. Don't have a lot of biscuits. Don't have cakes. Just have a butty with lemon and lime, or orange marmalade. Oh, the one I have as well is ginger marmalade. It's lovely. What is it? Something in ginger. And that's nice as well. And now, instead of having cake and all that sort of thing, which you'll put weight on, and you won't live a good while, like I'm 90, my wife, never anybody in her family's gone as old as my wife is. And she's fighting fate. Although she's mentally wise, might be a bit slow, you know, gone a bit that way, but she's certainly nothing, no showing any signs, and she's coming up to 90. I always said to my daughter, you eat what your mother eats and you'll live a long while. Don't have cakes, don't have biscuits, and have porridge. Have porridge, not cornflakes. Have porridge at morning, Quaker oats, and your stomach will feel better. You'll go to the toilet better. I'm telling you, all old people now who watch me. And don't have a marmalade butter. Don't have a piece of cake. Don't have chocolate biscuits. Okay. Okay then. I think you just have a little bit of a shadow under that duck. She says, I like ducks. Okay everybody, night night, God bless. See you next time.